Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place.
Hi guys,
Just
welcome
the
back to
two
my
of
channel. My
us,
name is
and we
Arlyne
can
Sanjines. Today's video is a fun one. There is a lot going on in this video. Lots of shopping, kind of follow me around day in my life-ish style, like a lot of everything, a little bit of an update. Also, you guys, we finally got the house, finally got to move in, and at the same time that we got to move in, I am at home in like my hometown. So I'm currently here now. There's been lots of traveling, lots of moving, lots of being out and about, and because of that, I've talked to you guys about this before, but my skin in general, my hair, everything has taken a toll. Like the stress has been crazy. So I am partnering up with Olay for today's video. This is the Olay Moisture Ribbons Plus Body Wash. So I have the Shea and Peony Blossom scent. There are a few other ones, so I'm gonna take you guys shopping with me, show you guys everything. But yeah, I thought it would be awesome to partner with them. My skin has been so incredibly dry with the change in like different weathers and like I said, traveling, everything. Like I'm gonna show you guys my skin transformation. So I'm gonna try this out for 2 whole weeks. 2 whole weeks. You guys can follow me along the entire journey. Also follow me on Instagram to follow along with like the whole journey and see how my skin transforms over the course of the 2 weeks. Honestly, I feel like it's going to be a huge difference. I used it this morning and it feels so smooth. You feel like you're putting like lotion on your arm. So I absolutely love it. So excited to be taking this skin journey and just to like be fearless, conquer all my skin issues, take care of all the skin issues in general. Even like you guys know, my face, like I try to take care of all my skin. I'm always so like cautious and like careful with what I put on my skin. So yeah, hopefully you guys end up enjoying today's video. If you guys do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Also check out the description box for everything that I mentioned in the video, especially the Olay Moisture Ribbons Plus. So yeah, let's start. Good morning guys, I'm coming at you guys from my bed. Literally turned on the camera, just woke up. I'm gonna go hop in the shower now, fix myself so I don't look so crazy. But yeah, let's go. So after laying in bed for like 15 minutes, I did go ahead and hop in the shower. That's where I used my Olay Moisture Ribbons Plus body wash. Started my skin transformation journey. I also thought it would be important to show you guys like an up close of my skin so you guys can really see what my skin transformation will look like at the end of this. Like, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's a lot of kind of dryness throughout, especially like on my hands. So I wanted to show you guys that before I jump into the day.
It's the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under street lights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night.
I got out of the shower. I'll insert some clips of the breakfast I had. It was so good. Eggs with sausage, some homemade orange juice. I was gonna say orange milk. What the heck is going on in my head? But now I'm gonna head over to Starbucks, grab myself a coffee. If you guys saw my what I eat in a day video, I talk about how I usually order my lattes. So I usually do them like half sweetened. Oh, so yeah, I obviously just need coffee to like officially start my day to make sure it gets going. So yeah, let's go get Starbucks. So after the essential coffee, I went ahead and climbed up, which is where we're at now. But I'm gonna update you guys with a lot of the home decor shopping and stuff that I've been doing recently. The reason I've been outside so much and there's been so much like sun exposure, and the reason I really need to be so like cautious and self-aware of my skin and what I'm doing to it. So one of the first places we went when we kind of moved up north, or were staying up north, was the Restoration Hardware Outlet. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna insert those clips now. Finally made it. Restoration Hardware Outlet. It looks pretty dead inside too, but it's huge. Are you so excited?
So excited for furniture shopping!
I was gonna say, that is the biggest lie I've ever heard. No, but you're not against it.
I'm not against it. Whatever makes you happy.
No. What a little... He's just like trying to, yeah, get brownie points everywhere. That looks like a bed.
This is
a bed?
the comfiest couch I've ever sat in.
Are you serious? It looks so beyond comfy.
It's
a little bit, like a little bit on the smaller side. Like I definitely want something...
I want this in the loft.
No, we're using our old couch in the loft.
No, after that, this loft is gonna be the man. It's gonna be the man cave where I play video games and stuff. Come and sit down on this.
Look at these tables. Okay, this one is still $3,000. That's a little hefty, a little pricey, but they might be like a really good investment. Like, you know, if it's a table you have for a long time. And these are huge.
We're gonna shop at IKEA.
You guys, I saw the most magical sign actually. If this is correct, that means it's another 40% off. This might actually be worth it. These prices are not as insane as I thought. I mean, still pretty hefty, but pretty good considering like the quality and how beautiful they are. How do you feel?
We need to be going.
Weston doesn't like investing in good furniture pieces. He wants IKEA.
I don't get it. If it just holds the stuff that you put on it, why do we have to pay thousands of dollars
Babe,
for
it could
it?
be an investment.
Investment
You
for
just
what?
sat in the most comfiest couch
Do you
of
know
life.
Do you know
sat
what
in the
investment?
most.
Do you know what investment means?
What?
Investment means you invest in it and then you expect to get a really good return.
You could actually, because you can resell.
Yeah, for
Resell
less.
at a good price.
Agree to disagree.
Okay. Okay, this table, for some reason, I don't know why, I think it'll actually look so cool. I never considered a black table. Wasn't even looking for a black table. But it's calling my name, and this price is calling my name. The outlet price is $1,100, and with 40% off, no way. You guys, like this, the contrast with all the other furniture I'm thinking of might actually look so cool. You guys, comment down below, what do you think about a black table? The lady just clarified that it is 40% off the entire store, so it's literally 40% off on top of the outlet price, which is dangerous now.
We're in danger mode.
We really are.
We have
So now
reached
I'm looking at all
full
the rugs,
danger.
like, I want everything. I want everything. Like, I love this, but even this one's still $4,000. That's not gonna work. This one right here, I think is like $1,000 with 40% off. That would be way more worth it, but I don't know if I'm digging this one too much. Yeah. Like, I like this, like white, just clean.
Yeah.
Clean.
Definitely don't have kids yet.
This couch is so comfy, and this is the perfect color of something I'd like. It's not like a stark white, but it's a pretty. Hey, Weston. He's all the way over there too. It's big. I'm all the way over here. He's all the way over there. I love this coffee table too. The only thing is, I kind of wish it had. Does it have any like shelves or anything?
No.
Or any like pull-out drawers?
No.
Because we have remotes and everything, and from our last coffee table, I learned that I do want something closed off so we can like hide the remote controls and stuff. But like the size of this is so pretty, and I love the black on it. Okay, I think we found, this is what we're looking for. Like, look at how huge, okay, not the middle, I'm not a fan of that. But that, and look how long this is,
And this,
with
and
a
this.
little chase here.
And this.
What? And you? Yeah, you come with me everywhere. You'll come with any couch.
Yeah.
But I love this color too. This color's so pretty. I almost even love like this color right here. It has like blacks and stuff in it. This one's really cool too. This one's cool. This one's $3,000. So the problem with the restoration ones is there's very slim pickings over there, and they were like 8-10 grand. It was like way too much.
Yeah.
So we're definitely gonna have to resort to something like this. Okay, this bed I die for. I love the black and the cream. Like, this is literally, like, I want this bed. Like, I think I'm gonna get this bed, babe. We're getting a new bed. This one right here. Look how beautiful it is. And I love, oh, I love everything about it. I love this quilt and everything, the way they styled it too. Oh my gosh, you guys, tell me in the comments below what you think. So as you guys can see in the clips, we were super indecisive about what we wanted. By we, let's be real, I mean me. So I wasn't sure what kind of home decor, what kind of scheme, what kind of plan. I had no idea what I was doing. I just knew I wanted to go check it out and see, just get ideas basically. I got a lot of ideas. I ended up going online, Pinterest, Instagram, everything, and then I finally decided kind of what style I wanted. So I went with kind of like a modern kind of traditional style. I don't know if it's 100% traditional, but you guys will see in all of my upcoming like home tour videos, stuff like that. Like, you guys will see what I did to the entire place. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. We're like probably halfway through with like the whole downstairs, so I'm so excited to share that with you guys in the near future, probably in the next like few weeks, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's basically a lot of what's been going on. Honestly, so much, but like I said, you guys stay tuned for the upcoming videos where I show you guys all of the home decor like actually set inside my home. It's looking so good. It's looking like exactly what I wanted. So I'm super, super happy with everything that I picked out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed following along, and kind of just a little bit of an update, chit-chatty video. Like I said, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram to stay updated with my whole skin journey with Olay Moisture Ribbons Plus. Yeah, that's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.